Hello everyone, this is Rishi Patnaik from AML branch. Now we will be discussing a topic in Python called file operators. Python file handling operators. Most importantly, there are four types of operators that can be handled by Python on files. First one is open, second one is read, third one is write, and fourth one is close. There are few access modes in this topic. Now we will discuss about it. R, small r, which is read mode. Read mode is used only to read data from the file. Small w, which means write mode. This mode is used when you want to write data into the files. And A, append mode. Append mode is used to append the data from the file. In R plus mode, it means it is read or write mode. And the last one is A plus mode. It is append or read mode. Now we will be discussing about the first function in it. Creating and opening a file. Python has inbuilt function called OpenOff to create and open a file. The syntax of this creating and opening a file is file object and open. As usual, it is a syntax, and the name of the file, it should be entered as it is, and the last one is mode, which we discussed before, whether it is R or W or A, etc. And now we'll see few examples about it. See, here is a file object. Here is a file object, and the function that we are using, and this is the file name of the text file that we saved before, and this is the mode, access mode that we are using here is write. In here in the text I am giving I am Rishi. F of close up, we will be discussing about it in the last slide, and after this in the document we have saved we will get. And the second one is reading a file. In order to read a file in Python, we must open the file in read mode. There are three ways in which we can read the files in Python programming: read off, read line off, read lines off. Here there is another one, read of n. Here n is the number of bytes to be read. Let's take an example. Let's talk about read off. Read off, it reads all the data. It reads all the data of the file. It reads all the data of the file. And read line off. Read line off, it will read the first line or line by line data of the file. And finally, read lines off. Read lines off, it reads all the lines and converts the file into a list. Read lines off, it reads all the lines and converts the file into a list. Let's see few examples about it. Here we took a text file named abc.txt, which we already saved, and we took a mode called read, R, which means read, and we entered a number called 10 for the element which we have saved, and the output comes here is welcome to, which is the 10 elements in the text format. Okay. This is read of n or read of. The second one is read line. In the same text folder which we have saved before, and the same mode we have to read. We took a read mode, and the element number is 3. We have entered the element number is 3, and the output is 3 numbers from the starting, 3 elements from the starting. And the last one is read lines off. Here also we took the same text folder and the same mode called read. Yes, here we entered the element is 5, but the read line itself says it reads all the lines and converts the file into a list. Hence it converted the files into a list format. Yes. Third one is writing to a file. In order to write data in a file, we must open the file in write mode. We have two methods for writing data into a file as shown below. The first one is write off, and the second one is write lines off. Yeah. We'll know about write off. Write off is a method which converts or which transforms strings into files. The second one, write off, which returns a list of lines from the file, a file. Yeah, we'll see a few examples about it. The write off example. In the Here we took the same text format, text document, and here we change the mode to write mode. And in line we wrote a text to overwrite the existing text in the document. Write off line. In the text it will be changed to the given text here. The whole text will be changed. The second one is write lines off. Here we took the same document, and here we took the mode A plus, which means here we took the mode A plus. A plus means append or read mode, right? Yes, we took it. Yeah, the last one is closing a file, which I told we'll discuss in the last slide. After completing our operations on the file, it is better or it is good to close the file. For that, which we use a close off method, closing a file. Yeah. Thank you.